everyone. This is Sophie from Team Oman at the Best Realty Group, standing in front of this lovely 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home on a 215 square metre block. This property is perfect for any investors, downsizers, or even first-time buyers who are looking to purchase. I welcome you to Unit 17 of 191 Railway Avenue in KELMSCOTT. We hope you enjoyed the video of this beautiful property. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call on the number below, and we hope to see you at the next home opens.